Yeah, here we have a Rong Fu RF-45 milling drilling machine. It's a square column. It has an auto down feed. It's 1.5 horsepower. It's 230 volt and it's single phase. And it appears to be unused, and it's in really good condition. It also includes a workhorse power feed table, analam, 411 Wizard 2-axis DRO. And we're just going to show you the machine right now. So we have it plugged in, we're ready to go here. We got it on like the medium speed right here. Just show you. That's the auto down feed right there. And as you see the quill come down, it'll go all the way down and then it'll automatically pop back up. That's on the next to this highest setting. It's high number 2. It's a little noisy on the highest settings, but that's because it's a gearbox. As it goes down, you'll see it hits the deck, comes back up. Alright, that's forward. There's reverse. This is low speeds. That's the real low speed. It's a real slow speed. That's your e-stop. Your e-stop works. So you can also manually put the quill down. So in any case, we have the analam here. Analam 411 Wizard DRO. So let's show you that it operates. So X and Y axis. Okay. I'll just hit your y-axis, and I'll go over here for the x-axis. Alright, and all the functions appear to work on there. We're going to have our technician check it out. Alright, so then we're going to come over here to the power feed table and show you that it also works. There's your rapid switch. Move the workpiece where you need it to be. And the auto speed control does work on here, so you can go from real slow up, and your rapid switch again. We also tested the stops right here, so these stops do operate. That's a safety stop, and it comes back to here. I'll show you again. So it appears that all the functions work on this machine. It's a real nice machine. It doesn't appear to have been used. It may have been a trade show model. We're not really quite sure, but in any case, there's no metal shavings on it. And we thank you for looking at our product.